Hello student, good morning. We have completed three chapters: simultaneous equation, quadratic equation, and arithmetic progression. Fourth chapter is financial planning. We are completed financial planning in last end of the syllabus. That means we have skipped this chapter. We have learned fifth chapter probability, and then we have learned the statistics. First we have learned the probability, and then after statistics we have completed the financial planning. We have starting probability. It is very easy, very interesting, as well as this chapter oftenly or more questions in each and every type of question. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of board question paper. Every question has asked on this chapter, and if you have solved this question each and every chapter, then mostly you have get a lot of marks on the chapter. Because of that, the only sample space is important. If you have to write down the sample space, all answers in the sample space, and directly you have written the answer, that means it's very easy chapter. There are some important concepts according to related this chapter's uh, theory, or which is called as the important concept probability. First one is the random experiment, which is called as the probability. It is probability means it may be predicted. It thing happen, or sometimes it not happen. There is first random experiment, the experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of can be predicted with certainty. There is equal possibility for each result, is known as the random experiment, which is called as the random experiment. The all possible results are known in advance. If suppose that today is rain, today is rain, but what are the results of today's prediction? That is, it may be rain or it may be not rain at evening. If we have anyone has predicted that today is at evening, it may be rain. That means there are the two possibilities. If there is a rain at evening or there is no rain at evening, that means the results are known. If we toss the coin, you have mostly toss the coin while playing the cricket or any game, which group will be play first. We have getting the toss. In the coin, there are the two sides, that is head and tail. That means two results. If we toss the coin, the two results, that means results are known. It may be head or maybe tail, but we cannot predict certainty. But what outcome will become? It may be tail, it may be, no one can be tail advancedly that it may be tail or it may be head. Therefore, result cannot be predicted certainty. There are equal possibility of it. Suppose that for rain example, it is rain or not, equal possibility, as well as head or tail, equal possibility of result is called as the random experiment. Second outcome, the result of random experiment. The two outcomes are there. If there is a rain, the two outcomes: one, it is rain, it is not rain, or head or tail. It is called as the outcome. Sample space, the set of all possibilities. If suppose that coin is tossed, then two possibilities, then set of all these possibilities, anyone can be predicted. That if we tomorrow go to the another visit to another village, it may be two possibilities. If we are go there or we are not go there. The possibilities of random experiment is called as the sample space. It is denoted by S or omega. All these concepts are written in your textbook. If you are note down from this, or you are also note down from the your textbook also. Then sample space, it is all set of all possibility of outcomes of random experiment is called as the sample space. It is denoted by S or omega. And second, event. Last one is event. The outcome satisfying the particular condition is called as the favorable outcome. If we are toss the coin, and we want what we want the head, then our favorable outcome is head. A set of favorable outcomes. Which favorable outcome we want? We want head. Then this set of favorable outcome is called as the event, which is called as the event, and it is denoted as capital letter A, B, or C, or Z. Any capital letter A to Z, you are write the event. I send you there are the sample spaces, that is one coin is toss. One coin toss is head and tail. This is first. Two coin toss. One is both are head, then one head, one tail, then one tail, one head, and both are tail. These are two outcomes, these are four outcomes. Then three coin toss. What is the outcomes? Head, head, head. You are right. From left side, you have less one head, tail, head, tail. You are from right hand side, tail, then tail, tail. One time H in between T and one time T between H. HTH, THT, and both times TTT. It's sample space. If you have write this sample space, you have given very easily answer. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 outcomes are there. I have already give you photographs, and you have write the sample space. One coin toss, head tail. Two coin toss, head tail, head, and three coin toss. These are the very easy. HH, you have write this very easily. HH, H, 1T from right hand side, TT, and then 1T for 2T, 1T or T increase from left hand side, T, TTH, one time T in between H, and one time H between T, and lastly TT. So next sample space for one die is thrown. We have when the next ladder we have playing the game that we are tossing the die 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the 6 possibility when one die is thrown, and two die is thrown, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, like that, 1, 6, then 2, 1, and up to dash dash 1, 6, and 6, 6. These are total 36 sample space in this random experiment. You have write down this all random sample space of random experiment.